Saturday, March 2nd, we woke up bright and early, arriving just in time for the 7 a.m. ferry from Tawasin to Swartz Bay, cruising across the Georgia Strait and through active paths, before transferring to catch a second ferry, the Skeena Queen, to Salt Spring Island. Salt Spring Island, here we come! Yay! Once on the island, we were picked up by our good friend Ben, whose place we'd be staying at. After visiting for a couple of hours and having a nice lunch, we headed out on a treasure hunt walk to the beach.
So this area is part of the Creekside Rainforest Conservation Area.
Cool.
Which my parents helped purchase so that it wouldn't get developed.
That's awesome. The conservation trail was beautiful, and 6-year-old Andrew kept us pretty entertained with all sorts of fun events.
Tap the snow to jump over.
Okay.
And then run under.
Your destiny.
Dual destiny.
Okay, Ben, you're up. Remember, destiny awaits.
Another one.
No.
Come on, Andrew. Get away from the group. What did you say?
Where are we now?
Are we hugging?
Yeah, we're hugging the tree.
Okay. I love it, Andrew. Okay.
You know what? I think it'd be more fun if you stuck your head through here and then you wanted to take a picture. And then it's like
Ooh, cool! You're like the perfect size.
Andrew, play the harmonica.
You can do your chicken noise, and it'll do
Come closer.
Louder.
Watch out! Don't step in it.
All through the walk, we've been searching for treasure, and Sam has found a geocache on the beach that we're heading to. So we're going to see if we can find the geocache. Where is it there, Sam? Oh, we're getting close. Excellent.
I'm waiting to loop around.
Hey, look, dude, it fell over, and then it decided to keep going. It's like a metaphor. It's deep somehow.
Yeah. Today is not my day.
I wish we could find like a. Let's look for shells.
Shells? Okay.
Hello. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Pretty tiny, hey?
Yeah.
We can't move it because it's attached, but you can feel it gently. It just feels like a tiny bit slimy.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Everybody keep an eye out for cool rocks.
Rocks, okay.
Ooh, wow.
Look at all these red skipping rocks. And look at all these rocks.
Chad, help me find crabs.
We fail
Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah.
Tiny little crabs?
Tiny little crabs.
Really? Is that one?
No, sorry, Andrew, not yet. That is the goal, though.
Over here. Andy, come here.
Maybe some light. Let's get a spotlight. I think
We got a spotlight over here.
This is doing nothing.
Okay, I'm gonna pick up this rock, and I think it's like right on this side. Do you see something right there? Yeah. I don't know what it is, but we'll find out. Oh, it fell. Oh no, it swam under there. Alright. There we go.
Like a little caterpillar.
Did you find any crabs yet? No.
Maybe under this rock. Come move this rock.
I'm gonna lift the seaweed up with the stick, okay, and you can see them better.
Oh, I see something beside it. Look right there. Look, see it?
Do you see it move?
It's curling in.
Yeah.
It's protecting itself.
But I'm only touching it
From
very,
some jerk.
very gently. I don't want to hurt it. Do you see all the other ones though? There's so many. Kind of cool.
Yeah.
Look at those.
Yeah.
There are quite a few down here.
And they like change.
Oh yeah, wait a minute. Weren't we looking for a geocache? It must be around here somewhere. The geocache has been located, and we're about to tell Andrew that there is treasure on the beach.
Can I show you something? So this is a second treasure map that I found, and it shows you right where the treasure is hidden. Do you see that green little box?
Yeah.
That's where the treasure is.
Do you think it's close to where we are?
Want to try to find it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's walk that way then.
Mom, we're finding the treasure.
Woo!
Let's do
Find
it!
you, buddy. Wait, the orange is way over here. Is that where it's supposed to be?
Remember, we want to keep this orange. That way? Is that where we go? Is it in the middle? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start looking. This tree seems like an excellent place to hide treasure.
Yeah.
Yeah, start looking.
But I think we might have to lift walk.
You probably don't need to move nature too much.
Oh, I don't think
You see anything like it doesn't belong there?
there's an area.
Oh yeah? Let's go in there.
Guys, let's go. Oh, yeah.
You're smallest. You gotta go first.
Oh, look, I'm trying to see.
Yeah, nice.
I see a block.
A box?
A box?
What?
What?
Oh my
Do you
god.
think there should be a box in there?
No, I'm nervous.
I'll hold your
Can
hand.
you grab it?
Let's do it together. This way out of the way. Can you reach in with me?
What's
up there?
What's the toy?
Let's take a look. Oh my god. Actual treasure.
Someone hit it.
Who would hide it there?
I don't know.
Here, we can put it down here.
Oh, we got a little table for you.
What is the list? List of people.
Oh, you put you found the treasure. Your name down on here.
There's a pen.
Somebody, the last person to find this treasure was in January.
Can you write your name on there?
Is that right?
How this treasure works, you get to choose one thing out of the box, and then we have to hide it again so that the next person can find it.
So this is like this.
Yeah, that's what you
That's
want.
the one?
You sure you don't want the dinosaur?
No, I don't go in the bedroom find it. I mean, let's hide it somewhere else.
We have to hide it in the same spot, and we have to put that little piece of wood in.
some point.
So now all three of you have to get off at the same time.
This is sort of like what it felt like to be on the back of a bicycle.
Yeah. All right. Ready? We have to dismount at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
I wasn't sure if we were going like both feet at the same time.